$7.99? Really? Wow. I mean, I just don't understand how Super 73 is still in business. I would buy this. I'd buy 4 of these over a Super 73. Like, why not? You know, get one for the whole freaking family. Look at this. Yes! Floating over the ground. And then we've got rocks and stuff over here. Can this handle it with the tight suspension? Probably. Yeah, no big deal. Look at that. Here we have the Jansno X50. It has a 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery. It has a 750 watt rear hub motor. The website claims 60 Newton meters of torque. I'd say that's about right. It has mechanical disc brakes, which I wish it had hydraulic, but that's okay. And it looks like it has 160 millimeter rotors. I wish it had 180, but that's okay as well, because it still has pretty good stopping power. It has 20 by 4 inch tires with some nice tread. You definitely do some off-roading with it, some light off-road. And also you have full suspension. You got this nice suspension right here, and you got the suspension forks, which is really nice. So then you got the monochrome display. Not the most exciting thing in the world, but it gets it done. You've got the speed, pedal assist level, your odometer, your battery level. You've got right here a button for the light. You've got a tail light. Okay, you've got a horn. And then, believe it or not, you've actually got blinkers. Push that to the left, you got blinkers. And then it actually shows up here on the back as well, which is pretty cool. Nice little touch, you know? And you've got 5 pedal assist levels and 7 gears. And nice mag wheels, you know? And it's got these fenders. I'm not a big fan of fenders. It came with that fender. I didn't put the front fender on, but there's a front fender as well. Okay? This bike goes for $799 right now. Pretty good price when you consider it's a lot like a Super 73 with a lot of the same features. And Super 73 is about $3,000 more. So you're getting a pretty good bike, you know? Just like a Super 73, it doesn't have tremendous torque, but you know, it's got just about everything else, you know? So I'd go with something like this before I go with a Super 73 in a heartbeat. All right, people. We're gonna do a little grass test, see what that's all about from a dead stop. Really helps determine how much torque it's got. Ready? We're on full throttle. Pedal assist 5. So yeah, it gets going pretty quick. I mean, not bad. Actually, not bad at all. So that's pretty cool. It does grass very easily. And we're gonna try this like hard packed dirt with a little bit of sprinkled pebbles on top. And we're gonna try not to kill people. Why would you cross over? Excuse me. If you're on one side, you see somebody coming around a turn and you cross over. Like, why would you do that? I don't know. Strange people. I just don't know. I can't make it up. Can't make this stuff up. It just happens. Okay. So we're rocking this little trail here. How nice is this? Yeah, stability is pretty cool. With the 20 by 4 inch tires, the full suspension does you really good. It's really comfortable. You just kind of bounce. The suspension forks are kind of nice. The rear suspension is a little stiff, so you don't like, you know, it's not like tremendous bouncing, but it definitely absorbs everything. So you're probably pretty good with like a rocky terrain even. You just might not have the torque to get you through. But again, comparing this to like some of the other bikes on the market, it's got a lot of the same stuff as some of the other bikes that look a lot like it, but it's cheaper, you know? $7.99? Really? Wow. I mean, I just don't understand how Super 73 is still in business. I would buy this. I'd buy 4 of these over a Super 73. Like, why not? You know, get one for the whole freaking family. Get one for the whole block for that price. You know what I mean? It's unbelievable. So I don't know, people. This kind of has what you're looking for, and this is it's pretty decent quality, you know, for that money. Yeah, we just went through the grass, no problem, very easily, like butter. So let's do a little bit of throttle testing and see what kind of Can we do it without bump? Yeah, we'll try with bumps. Anyway, okay. Let's see what kind of speed we can get. Throttle only, pedal assist 5. The throttle is commensurate with the pedal assist levels as well. So pedal assist 1, you only get so much throttle. Pedal assist 5, you get the full throttle. 23, 24. We got up to 24. Okay, and that's throttle only. Now we'll see what we can do with pedal assist. I'm 6 foot 220. Pedal assist 1. Gear 5. We're going 8 miles an hour. Pedal assist gear 5. We're at 12 miles an hour. Pedal assist 3. Gear 7. We're at 15 miles an hour. 16 miles an hour. Pedal assist 4. Gear 7. We are at 18 miles an hour. 19 miles an hour. And pedal assist 5. Gear 7. Let's see what we can get. Yeah, I'm getting like 21. Alright, I'm getting about 21. Alright, people. We're going to give this little trail here a go. We've got the full suspension. We've got the 20 by 4 inch knobby tires. And we've got the 750 watt motor. So let's see what she can do. Not tremendous torque, but I do have some good stability going here. Look at this. Yes. Floating over the ground. Isn't that something? Yeah, I'm not feeling much. Suspension is rock solid, people. Very nice. And I'm flying. I'm going 22 miles an hour. And I'm accelerating. I'm going 23 miles an hour. Yeah, we're rocking this. So yeah, you can definitely do like a nice trail with this thing. You just have to be careful with the hills. If you come up on a big hill, you probably have to pedal a lot to get up it and be in pedal assist 5. Right now I'm in pedal assist 5 and I'm doing throttle only. Bam! See, I had momentum, so I could probably get up this. Yeah, you can get up a hill with momentum, but from a dead stop, you gotta have a lot of help with the pedals. You know? So how badass was that? Wasn't that something? How freaking cool was that? Damn! Badass! Now we're gonna do a little something else. Here, a little something. We're gonna go up this. I'm badass. You seen all this shit that I'm doing? I'm bypassing the little kids and whatnot. Wow. Capabilities, peoples. Capabilities. Yeah. We're gonna go dirt all the way, people. No pavement for us. We got the machine to make it happen. How exciting is this? We're actually on a horse trail, but all I have to really worry about is poop. Hey there. Because I don't see any horses. Those are pretty easy to see, but poop, as big as the mountains can be, I don't see any at the moment, but doesn't mean there aren't any. But yeah, we're just cruising, people. This is freaking awesome. Very nice. And I got a horn in case anybody gets in my way, like a horse or a jockey getting on a horse, or 2 horses and 2 jockeys, whatever, you know what I'm saying. As far as right now goes, we're just gliding. We're gliding and we're floating, we're gloating. Glotation station. Just us and the pigeons out here. Watch out! Oh shit, they don't really care. They don't heed warnings very well. Sorry guys. Jesus. Birds would have just scattered. Squirrels would have scattered. Lizards would have scattered. Birds just kind of, ducks just kind of stare at you. Like, really? We were here first, kind of a thing. Like, it's a tug of war. I just want to make sure I don't hurt them. You know what I'm saying? See what all the little childrens are doing. Little middle school. Johnny and Jerry got stuck after school for detention. They got to clean the weeds out front. That's really put kids to work these days, you know. And then these kids, their parents have abandoned them. That's sad. And these kids, who the hell knows what they're up to? Who knows? My son used to go to school here. Things change. Oh, how they change. So yeah, like a great little town cruiser, a little grocery getter, a commuter. You know, with 14 amp hours, you're gonna probably get about, you know, with throttle only, really taxing it in a high pedal assist, you're gonna get like 20, 22, maybe 23, 24 miles max, especially if you're on the lighter side. And then with pedal assist, you're gonna get a little bit more, but you know, not the biggest battery, but big enough, you know, definitely good enough to commute. And if you really wanted to just take it off and take it into your work, lock the bike up outside and charge it up, you've got tremendous capacity, you know what I mean? Or buy a second battery and put it in your backpack. That's almost what you need to do these days. Nobody wants range anxiety, you know what I mean? So anyway, we're gonna do a quick little off-roading here and see what it's all about. I don't know if this can really handle much, but we're gonna try. Remember I said it's got tight suspension? This has got, well, first of all, Burmation station. Look at this. Oh yes. And then we've got rocks and stuff over here. Can this handle it with the tight suspension? Probably. Yeah, no big deal. Look at that. For sure. Yeah. All day long. Let me go over the little friendly bridge. Okay. Now we're doing a little zip zoom here. We got to try to make it up this little hill here. Can we do it? Probably. We got the momentum. Hey, seamless, people. Look at that. What's sad is there's no way I'm getting up that thing. I know it. Let's try. This is like a hill I've been up on a bunch of other stuff, and there's no way this thing's getting up. Like, unless I pedal. I don't want to pedal because I'm not wearing my knee braces. Well, let's see. Can I get up it? I'd be surprised. We're rocking at 8 miles an hour, 9 miles an hour. I don't think I'm gonna make it up this part. Maybe we are. Wow. It's slow, but it's getting her done. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that something, people? Would you look at that? Wow, I didn't think I could do it. Can I keep going? No way. See, that's it. All right. That was not bad, though. I didn't think we'd get up that. We did. Wow. A little more gravel here. We're good. We're good. We're good. Got some carving capabilities. Yippity yoppity. Exciting, exciting.